Hello boys, hello girls, this is Mr. Lucero and we are going to start a new unit number 6. And this unit is titled Sport for All. Okay, and here we have a poster on page 90 and 91. So you can see at the bottom 90 and 91. The title says Sport for All, so it means that everybody, well, there is a sport for everybody. Okay, now my question, what can you see on this picture? Okay, it's a team. Okay, they are working as a team. How many people can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could be 9 or 10 maybe. Okay, now let's see. What's your favorite sport class? For example, if I talk to boys, they say soccer or football, and that is good. And for girls, volleyball or basketball, and that could be good. And those sports are famous in our country. But I'm talking in general. What sport do you like? For example, in me, Mr. Lucero loves mountain biking. Or maybe I love racing cars. It's a sport, okay? What about you? Maybe you love basketball, soccer, baseball, tennis, swimming, karate. There are a lot of sports, and the title says Sport for All. The idea is to work this activity, and we are going to continue on page 92. Okay? On page 92, I can see 3 pictures. Picture number 1, picture number 2, and picture number 3. Class, the question is, what can you see on picture number 1? It's an athlete, or there are athletes, no? They are running a marathon. Perfect, perfect. What about number 2? American football. That's right, no? This is American football. And what about picture number 3? What can you see? A goalkeeper. Excellent, this is a goalkeeper. Playing soccer. Okay, playing soccer. It's okay, all your answers are possibilities. Okay, remember, in this part, it's time for guessing. Okay, for guessing. So, in this moment, we're going to see our vocabulary. Number 1 is sports. Okay, sports. Match the words in the box with the actions represented in the picture. There is more than one word for each picture. Some words can be left out. Okay, but first of all, let's practice. Okay, so for this activity, we're going to listen the audio. So listen and repeat, please.
Unit 6. Sport for All. Track 58. Activity 2.
Catch, dance, dive, hit, jump, kick, lose, run, score, shout, throw, train, walk, win.
Okay, now let's see. Now with me. Catch, dance, dive, hit, jump, kick, lose, run, score, shout, throw, train, walk, and win. Perfect. Now, the activity number 1 says match the words in the box with the actions represented in the picture. There is more than one answer for each picture. Some words can be left. For example, in number 1, there is a girl and they're running in a marathon, etc. And she's the winner. So what words from this box can go with number 1? For example, catch? No. Dance? For the victory could be a possibility. Dive? No. Hit? I don't think so. Jump? When she wins? Well, it's a possibility. Kick? I don't think so. Lose? Maybe. No, maybe the participants at the back, no, because she's the winner. Run? Run could be, no? Run is a possibility. Score? Shout? Throw? Train? Walk? And win. For me, it could be run and win. No, it's my opinion. I don't know what about your opinions, eh? For number 2, for example, catch could be for number 2 and number 3. Okay, catch. Dance. Well, if you win and you're very happy, you can dance. But it's an opinion. Dive, hit, jump, maybe jump, no? For both, jump. But in the picture, I can see number 3. Okay, kick. I can't see. No, it's not possible to see in the picture, but I know that in both sports you can kick. No, with your feet or foot. Lose. There is a winner and loser. Run. Okay, in number 2 if possible. In number 3, always goalkeeper works in his area. No, works only in his area. They can go around, but it's dangerous for the team. Shout. No, you can see American movies. No, hey, you, 1, 2, 3, hut, hut, hut. No, you can shout. Train, I mean both train. Walk, I don't think so. And win. Okay, for example, in this case, we saw the vocabulary and try to match them with the picture. I have ideas. No, maybe you have a different idea, different possibilities, and there is no problem. Okay, there is no problem. Let's continue. Here's a step. In general, we just play, go, do. Play with sports, no? Play with ball sports, like play soccer. Okay, you can just play with all the sport you use a ball. Be careful, eh? All the sports, no, all the sports you have a ball in it. For example, tennis, you have a ball, a small ball. Golf, soccer, volleyball, play. All of them are play. Go. Listen. This is very easy. How do you identify all the sports that goes with go? Because the sports ends in ing form, like swimming, for example, running, another example, okay, hiking, jogging, examples. Do other activities, for example, do track and field. No, do could be karate. It's like, I don't know, it can say individual sports, no? Without ball, without finishing in ing. Do yoga, it's a possibility, okay? Yeah. Listen, class, this tip is very important for you if you want to work this part, because in number 3 we have more extra vocabulary. It says complete a chart with the words in the box. Can you add more? For example, basketball, cycling, football, golf, hockey, judo, rugby, snowboarding, soccer, surfing, swimming, tennis, track and field, yoga. Okay, so for example here I have one example for play, one example for go, and one example for do. No, for example play, remember all the sport with a ball. Basket, ball. Cycling, no. Football. Okay, mister. Basketball and football ends in ball, so it's here, yes. But golf also use a ball when they play this sport. See, play golf. Okay, so be careful. Basketball, football, golf, hockey, rugby, soccer, and tennis. Okay, what about go? Remember, with go, all the sports that ends in ing, like for example, cycling, snowboarding, surfing, swimming are in this category. Do, I told you, do karate, do, well, I'm sorry, it's not karate here, but it says do yoga, track and field. What else? What else? Only two? Yes. Let's see. Judo could be a possibility. And it says add extra ones, not like for example karate, it's a possibility. Play, for example, tennis, it's not here, tennis, go, cycling, swimming, snowboarding, skateboarding. Okay, skateboarding is another possibility. Now, any problem with this? Remember, number three, the activity number three, to do this activity is necessary to identify the tip here. Okay, for number three is necessary the tip. 4. Order the sport in the box in activity 3 in your order of preference. Compare your list with a partner. Okay, for example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sports. What do you have to do? It's very easy. You need to classify them for you, the most important and the less important, no? And make a list. For example, here says I play soccer, number 1, number 2, I do track and field, number 3, I play basketball. So for me, soccer is the most important. And at the end, the less important. Okay, the less important. Okay, this is page 92. Okay, we're going to focus on this part. We're going to finish this video because it's only about vocabulary. Thank you.